Okay, so we're going to go over dips and all the different versions of dips, okay? So we'll start off in its simplest and easiest form, okay, which is a basic tricep dip. If I sit on the edge of the bench here, okay, stick my feet out in front of me, and then from there I'm just bending my knees until they're at roughly 90 degrees. And what will happen from there is I'm going to bend the elbows, okay, and if you watch my hips, they're going to drop down in a straight line and back up in a straight line, okay? So here, and then from there, what I don't want to be doing is this, coming back and forward. You see that's my shoulder that's extending. Okay, so here I'm bending the elbows and back up, okay? If I want to make that a wee bit harder, then I can step that out, okay? Straight legs, and then same again, drop that down, okay? I've got that box here, so if I want to make it harder again, then all I do is put my feet up, elevate that on the box, bend the elbows, it's still the same movement, okay? Nothing changes. And extend the elbows. By elevating my feet, I'm just now taking more of my weight. Okay, if you can knock out sets of that, say 3 sets at 12 to 15 reps, then you're probably ready to move on to the harder version of dips here, okay? So, first version I would do here is just coming from, so when you set these up, just make sure that when you come down to the floor, you're going to have some space, okay? So if I set them too low, then what's going to happen is my knees will hit the floor, okay? If you can do 3 sets of 12 to 15 on here, but you're not quite ready to jump in here and maybe do 3 sets of 5 to 6, then what you could do is just elevate your feet in the back here. So I've got the box set up, and I'm just coming in, and that's just going to, as I come down here, I can just use my feet a wee bit, pushing that into the box to help me back up. I'm still trying to stay relatively upright, I don't want to end up like this, okay? And then when I'm ready, I can do that here, controlling it down, and then all the way back up.